Hey guys, it's your host Jason, and in this video I'll be talking about ways to make money while you sleep in 2020. But before I go any further, I really appreciate it if you would just hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I release daily videos on how to make money online. The first way I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. If you don't know, affiliate marketing is the method when you promote other person's products and get a percentage of the sale. The beauty about affiliate marketing is you don't have to deal with the delivery or the hassle of customer care or any of that. All you need to do is simply promote the product and get the sale. Some of the top affiliate programs are Amazon, JVZoo, ClickBank, and overall you can be an affiliate for almost any product online. You simply need to just go into Google and just type it in and just search if that product offers an affiliate line. With Amazon though, you tend to get roughly 4% per sale. As a quick check of the advertising fee shows that in the luxury and beauty niche you'll be getting 10%. And if you should advertise furniture, home improvement, lawn and gardening and pet products, you'll be getting 8%. And for the outdoor products you'll be getting 5.50%. And for headphones and musical instruments and business and industrial supplies, you'll be getting 6%. Also for toys you'll be getting 3%, and for PC and Blu-ray, those will be 2.50%. Another affiliate program that I really like using is JVZoo. With JVZoo though, they don't distribute physical products. You'll be more advertising like ebooks or softwares. And their affiliate program is also very credible, as they have been around for a very long while. As you can see, these are some of their top sellers. And this is the different categories that they offer: e-commerce, business, health and fitness, self-improvement, and software. And if we should click on the business category, you can see that they have a variety of products that are selling at reasonably below the $50 mark. And you'll be getting a percentage of that sale. And the beauty about promoting software also is a lot of your affiliate earnings will tend to be recurring. As most softwares, you'll have to sign up for a monthly renewal, and each month you'll be getting an income off that renewal. Another popular affiliate network is ClickBank. ClickBank again doesn't distribute physical products, mostly ebooks and softwares. And no matter the niche that your YouTube page or your blog is in, you can also promote almost any product. The second way to make money while you sleep that I would recommend is an e-commerce store or dropshipping. First, you would create your website. Most people tend to use Shopify to create their website. And after you have done that, you would simply add the products. Most persons tend to use Aliexpress, which is a marketplace that sells in China. And you would drag simple products from over there and promote it on your website. You would use Facebook or other means of advertisement to get viewers to come to your website. After they have come to your website and make a purchase, you would simply go back to AliExpress and purchase the item and they would deliver it to the customer. It's a technique that can definitely make a lot of money off, and dropshipping have been around for many years now, but since recently it has gained a lot of popularity, with a lot of YouTubers and other persons advertising it and also making money off it, and it's a technique that you definitely could try. As you can see, here is a dropshipping store by the name of skinnydiplondon.com. And they are using the Shopify platform also to promote their they use the Shopify platform to set up their website. Another popular way to make money in 2020 while you sleep is by creating a YouTube channel. YouTube has grown in popularity over the past few years and is definitely a steady way to make an income. And there are numerous ways you can make money off YouTube. The first and most reasonable way is by using Google AdSense and getting paid for ads. You get paid for the ads that are placed on your YouTube videos. And people can make a lot of money off this, as it all depends on the amount of views that you get and also where the viewer is watching your video in. But a lot of people also use YouTube to do affiliate marketing or to get sponsorship deals. Sponsorship deals now it would be when you promote products from various companies. This can be simply by talking about the product or by having the product in the video and showing your viewers. There are numerous ways you can make money off YouTube, or you can also eventually turn your channel into a brand and a personality overall, and also go on to Instagram and other social media platforms and grow in popularity. And the more popularity you tend to have in this age now can lead to more money. Another method that you can use to make a lot of money online also is by blogging. While blogging tends to be a lot harder than YouTube, as you will have to do more research and also a lot of writing, which can be rather tedious, there is a lot of money to be made in blogging. But to me personally, I think that blogging is slowly becoming a thing of the past, as more persons nowadays tend to want to watch the video instead of doing reading. But blogging is still very profitable. Another method you can use also is investing. But with investing, you will need to have money at first to start. But investing is definitely a good way to make money while you sleep. But it all depends on the amount of money that you put in and if you're investing in profitable stocks. Another method is by creating an online course. But before you can even create an online course, you will definitely need to have a market and also have knowledge of that specific area that you are planning to create the course in. But after you have created the course, there are numerous platforms online nowadays. For instance, Udemy and numerous others that you can promote that you can use to set up your course, and also they will help you with promotion. And whether you believe it or not, online courses are one of the best ways right now to make money online. Another method that you can use also is by making ebooks and selling them. Ebooks, for instance, you could write a cookbook if you're a chef. There are numerous things that you can write on. But overall, while these methods are all good, you will need to make money while you sleep, you definitely need to put in the work at first. It's a 80-20. You would have to follow the 80-20 rule. You would have to do 80% of the work up front and before you can start to see a profit. And that's where a lot of persons tend to fail at when it comes to passive income, as they don't want to put in the amount of work it takes to start making a steady income. You have to put in a lot of work at first, and then you will start to reap the benefits in the long run. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, as I plan on releasing daily videos on how to make money online. And if there are any other video ideas that you would like me to do a video on, be sure to leave it in the comment area. And thank you for watching this video.